Hello everyone, so my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to find financial year from your dates. So in India, financial year starts from 1st April to 31st March. So we are going to extract our financial year from our dates. So I have already extracted my calendar years, so you may also extract your calendar years from year function. So serial number, close the parentheses and enter, and let's drag and drop. So this is very simple, but for financial year we need to go to a complex formula. So let's begin. Let's understand the financial year methodology. So in case of financial year, since financial year starts from April and it goes to March of next year, so what we are going to do, so in this case our financial year would be 2018 and 19. Since this is January, so this will fall in between this, so our financial year would be 18-19. In this case our financial year again 18-19. So in this case our financial year would be 2020 and 21. So we are going to extract our financial year. So let's begin. See, in this case our month is less than 3, so our year would be, our first year would be calendar year minus 1. So let's begin with first year. So since our month is less than 3, so our first year of the financial year would be less than 1 by my calendar year. So what we are going to do, just extract my year and this. So I have extracted my year from the formula. Since now I am going to use true and falses. So month, I am extracting my month from here. Is this less than or equal to 3? So if our answer would be true, then it is going to reduce 1 from my calendar year. If it would not be true, then our financial year, our first financial year would be the same of our calendar year. So this is the first argument. And for next, again, if this month would be greater than 3, then this year would be this one plus 1. So again we are going to use, first we need to concatenate with this. So I am going to use and double quotes. So I have created this one. Now I am going to extract second year, close parentheses, plus month. This is greater than 3. So if the answer would be true, then our this year would be calendar year plus 1. So it is going to produce false for me, and false means 0 in Excel and true means 1 in Excel. So our first year would be 2018 in our case, and second year would be 2019 since our month is not greater than 3. So let's press enter, and financial year you may check like this. So let's drag and drop, and if you want your financial year like this, so you may use your left function also. So left this, sorry, comma 2, sorry, we need to use right function because we are extracting from the right. I forgot to mention that. Plus enter. Yes, now it is correct. Now see, the same methodology I have used, and you don't need to work for your all dates. You may use these kind of functions. You may use if function also. So keep enjoying and keep learning.